All three, yeah. What's it sound like?
Fading away.
It sounds like birds to me. Play it again. Does it sound like? It sounds like birds. This is a gorgeous piece for your ladies. It's like birds to me, okay? So, gorgeous, gorgeous piece. A cappella, we won't do it. A cappella, we'll have a little help from Joyce, but here we go, ladies. Also, text, text, text. As you sing this, think about this. Who or what is the singing bird? Who or what is the singing bird? And you tell me at the end. 1, 2, and 3. So nice on that. If you need some other